There it is, my air conditioner. I put it in just minutes ago and sealed it with expansion foam. I did it now because the bees, hornets, and wasps are out, but they're kind of small little fellows, and they're not that much of a bother. But in a week to 2 weeks, all that will change with the warmer weather that's due to come. So I suggest that this is a good time to put in your air conditioner and seal it. This is the stuff I use. It's called Great Stuff. It seals gaps and cracks. And it's really, really, really good. I've never had any flying insects or ants even get into here through the air conditioner. It's very, very dependable. Most of that stuff is dry, so I'm just putting in the last bit that seals it at the top. And this is all water soluble. And it's just very easy to remove it once the summer season is over. It's not a fuss. It comes out as one solid piece, and you can just crack it into smaller pieces and throw it into a bag and throw it out. It's a cornstarch based product, I do believe. And worrying about it maybe making a mess isn't so much of a worry, because you just let it dry, and once it dries, you can just crack it off. Literally, it just goes solid. So it's a pretty good product. I've been using it for a couple of years now. The only thing is, it's really only good for one application, because it kind of goes hard inside the nozzle and that, so it usually doesn't work after that. But I always go for the big bottle. On the premise that I'm going to need lots of the stuff. So anything that gets in the way there when it dries, like that piece there, I'll just let it dry and then take it off once it's hard. Same thing on the front. Since things on the windowsill, I'll just take them off once they're dry. Because if you look at that right now, that's almost dry. See? That's pretty much dry now. It just hasn't solidified completely. That's all it is. Very simple. Easy to work with.